Hi, I'm Zainab Rafeek, currently reading for my LLM at University of Colombo, Sri Lanka, and having read my LLB at the University of London, and currently the founder of an NGO called Capsicina's LM Foundation. It is my pleasure and I'm very humbled to have been part of this conference that has been organized by the iConferences, and a salute to the team for bringing about all women across the globe in order to share their views and thoughts on various arenas and plethora of debates which we as a team encounter and empower women across the globe to bring about a change in the community. This is not a milestone only for us, but for the community, because we as women play a paramount and cardinal role in society. Thank you for organizing this conference, which denotes and encapsulates teamwork, unity in diversity. Thank you.